we need to frame what is happening in a country in a proper context and framework. So South Africa is trapped in a colonial nation-state model of regulating migration and immigration, which is based on European model, which the European model is 300 years old than what they have imposed at the Berlin Conference, when they demarcated Africa into small pockets of countries. That's the context and the frame which we need to locate these discussions. But then, let me quickly then respond to why do we have what is called xenophobia, which is essentially Afrophobia. Is anchored in the concept of nation-state borrowed from Europe, imposed on Africa. Africa's pre-colonialism were moving freely without these borders. These borders are designed deliberately to set Africans against each other. Now, the current crisis in this country is a current crisis of collapsed state. We've got the collapsed state in this country which has lost control over immigration system, immigration management control system, in ensuring that there are mechanisms to enforce the immigration and migration rules to an extent that the South African government does not know how many foreign nationals, the so-called foreign nationals, are in their country. So it's a problem.
You mean the undocumented?
The so-called undocumented. It doesn't know, just as the government doesn't know how many cars are imported in this country. That's the same crisis that we have with illegal foreigners in the country. Until such time the ANC can ensure that it bring proper control systems of documentation, of knowing who is in the country and when they leave the country, that will see an end to this crisis. And the EFF proposes a different model that says we need to introduce proper systems of control and monitoring and detecting whoever was in the country illegally so that that person can be deported if he's here illegally.